Hey YouTube, so we'll just jump right in. You're going to navigate to iCloud.com in your internet browser. This will work on Firefox or Google Chrome, as well as on a Mac or a PC. Then we're going to navigate to the bottom left hand corner, create Apple ID. Now you're going to enter in all your information, your first name, your last name, your country, your date of birth, now you're going to enter in your email address. It's good to use your main email address. That way you'll get notifications from your iCloud account once it's created. Now we're going to select a password. Password has to be 8 characters or more, have 1 uppercase letter and 1 lowercase letter, and also a special character. Now you're going to enter in your country. Now you're going to enter in your mobile phone number. This will be used to authenticate your account through text message or phone call. I just selected text message. We'll leave these unclicked just so we don't get bothersome emails. And we're going to enter in the CAPTCHA code. And click continue. Now, a notification email will be sent to your email address, so we're just going to go into our email right now. Mine's Gmail. Sign in. This will obviously work with any email address. Now we'll select on the Apple Verify email. Now we're going to copy Control-C on a PC, Command-C on a Mac, and we'll paste that code in. Click continue. Now it's going to send a verification code via text message to our smartphone. Once we have that code, we'll just enter it in here. Click continue. Now we're going to click agree. You don't have to scroll down to the bottom, but sometimes I like to do that. And that's it. You've successfully created an iCloud account. Now the beautiful thing about this is you can use this iCloud account to log in via your iPhone, iPad, or your Apple computer, iMac or MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. And the nice thing about it is that it will sync your contacts. So when you create contacts via your iPhone or iPad, they'll display here. Same thing with your iCloud Drive. So any files, pictures, documents you'd like to save from the computer onto the iCloud Drive and then access them. Same thing with your notes. You can create a note here or on your iDevice. It will sync and be accessible from this internet portal and your device as well. This just shows your stock storage. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped. You guys have a great day.